What's up, guys? It's Luis Garcia coming at you with another video. And today I'm just chilling outside. Got home from work not too long ago, still in my work clothes. And I guess what I'm gonna do now is clean my car because it's a mess. I got all these fishing rods in here, all the clothes, water bottles, trash, AirPods. Just a mess right now. On this side of the car, I got a whole battery, dogs barking, got a whole bunch of hats. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna clean my car. Maybe I'll do a fishing showcase. Showcasing my fishing stuff, my rods and reels, what's in my tackle box, the trolling motor I just bought a couple weeks ago. Well, not a couple weeks ago, last week. Last Saturday, I think. And yeah, let's clean my car. Fishing rods, reels. This is my girlfriend's right here. She got a little ugly stick, grit stick type, ugly stick, grit stick type rod. For the Focus 3000 series. That's hers. She caught a catfish the other day. This is mine. My Sedona. Pretty. I like it. I got my Bass Pro bait caster. I think it's 5 to 3 to 1. 5 to 2 to 1, I mean. And then my favorite one, the Water Hellcat SLX DC. Johnny Morse carbon light rod. But yeah, let's keep cleaning. Alright guys, I finally finished cleaning my car. I don't even know what time I started. It's 6:15 right now. Focus. 6:15. But yeah, just finished the car. I'll give you a little tour. Just stained for the most part. Cool. My hat collection. Gonna start wearing this one more. Golf, GIA Classic Cars, Columbia, Bass Pro, Columbia again, PSG, PFG. Way too many hats. Car's clean pretty much.